Hey, what's up? It is your boy Triplellls and you're watching Triplellls TV, and welcome back to my channel again for another. Today we have a guest again. Well, not a guest again.
Why
See
do
a
you
guest.
keep saying that I am a guest? I am not a guest. I am his fiance. I'm no guest.
Bro, she's a guest. What's it the papa? I think it's a guest, bro. Alright. Yeah, so today we're gonna do the speak out challenge. We have this game for a while now, and every time we decide so we're gonna do a video, we gotta end up doing something else. So today we decided to do the video and share with you guys, and make sure you guys like and share and subscribe to your channel. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the video and hit the subscribe button. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
So go first.
Yeah.
Okay.
So she got started.
Okay. I think I have that.
Well, big like a gorilla, yo. What's a big rock?
Okay. Fried fish and kahog clams.
I mean, if you haven't done my mouth.
You have to tell me what I'm saying. Fried fish.
Alright. Fried fish
And
and
kahog.
clog.
Kahog.
Kilog.
Kahog.
Clog.
Kahog.
Say it again.
Kahog.
To hug. Clog.
Clams.
What's it? Is it clongs?
Clams.
Oh, clongs.
Clams.
Clams? Oh, clams.
Yeah. Okay. So ridiculous.
Yeah, start the laughing. Start the laughing. Start the laughing. Yeah, that's how, yeah. Ready?
Get ready.
Okay. Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I say, well, that did.
Why are you doing like?
Because I give you action with the words.
Well, that
Reach.
leads.
Reach.
Leads.
Reach.
Ring. Take it down here.
Yeah. Ditch.
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 Ditch. Well, that reach.
Ditch.
I don't know, my time's up.
What
What does it say?
lose, bro.
Well, that bridge is
Well, that bridge is burning.
burning to. You can't see it. Well, that bridge is burning to bricks.
Ready.
I'm
Gonna
lunk,
jump,
lunk,
junk,
lunk,
run.
lunk,
I'm gonna
lunk,
dance,
lunk, lunk.
bro. I'll be able to put her like I can't even figure what she has said, bro. I swear.
Lunk,
Punch,
lunk,
push,
lunk.
fight. But we are trying.
Lunk, lunk, lunk.
Rock, rock,
Lunk you.
love.
I'm gonna lunk.
Oh, time up, lose.
You lose.
What's that?
Bump.
Bump.
Yes.
Okay, bump made a hum. Oh, can't get that.
Bump. Bump. I was trying.
That could be like touch,
Bump
fight. Alright. Ready.
One.
This one got hard. This one really hard. Music.
What?
Music.
Music.
Next.
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 Mix. Mix. Music mix.
Next.
You guys, why is he like?
You're trying to get it right slow, nine. Right. Next.
Next. Mix.
Next. Gonna.
Gonna.
Gran.
Music mix.
Gran.
Grandma. Oh, music makes grandma.
Ruggy.
Ready? Riggy? Ruggy?
Say it.
Ruggy.
Music.
Makes grandma.
Huggy.
Hoodie.
Huggy. This shit right.
I don't know, my time's up. That's Boogie.
Yeah, you lose. Yeah, boogie, you lose.
Boogie? What
Yeah.
does boogie mean?
Boogie dance. Boogie mean dance.
Oh, I don't know. I didn't know that.
Beep.
I.
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 I. I.
I.
I.
I. This mean I.
Not I. I.
Why?
I.
My
Family
family
is
full
of
of
quality
quality
clerks.
Kirks. First one, G's and P. Alright. My turn. Rise,
Wise.
guy,
Guy.
eat,
Eat.
fries.
Fries.
Yeah, kind of easy.
Finally. I still got it. I got anything in my teeth?
No, bro.
I hoodie?
Yeah.
Yeah. Inquiring
Inquiring.
lines.
Huh?
Lines.
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 Mine.
Want.
Plant.
Want.
Want.
Want. To.
To.
Ring.
Drink.
Ring.
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 Bring.
Ring.
Wing.
It.
It.
Oh,
That's
look
easy.
at you getting stuff.
Yeah. That's it. You see it. You see it.
I swear.
Alright. Magically,
Magically?
it's TSA.
Huh?
It's TSA.
Huh?
It's TSA. God.
Magically?
It's TS.
Mysteriously?
Yeah. Bali na yun ay.
Oh, magically mysterious?
Lizard.
Huh?
Lizard.
Lizard?
Lizard.
Wizard?
Eat.
Eat?
Eat.
Leap?
Eat. 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 Eat.
Leap? Heap? Leap?
Eat.
I can't look at you!
Eat.
Wait?
Eat.
Eat?
Eat.
I don't know.
Ah, you lose. Weep, bro, weep.
Waiting for what? Waiting for the what?
Waiting for what?
Waiting for the what?
Waiting for the what?
That's it! That's what it says.
Oh, What the fuck?
It had a rat.
It had a rat. Yeah. 9, 10.
Oh.
Ranks.
Why are you yelling?
Nah, yeah, you get it.
Emphasis?
Yeah, emphasize the right.
Yeah, but
That's
you're
I can't get that.
yelling.
I understand it right?
But you're yelling.
Ranks.
What?
Ranks
Franks
and
and
deans.
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 I still don't know why you're doing your neck like that. Deans, beans
Yeah. Har.
are
Har.
far, tar,
Har.
hard,
Har.
har,
Har.
har,
Har. Har. Ranks and dean. Har.
are,
Har.
car, war, star, har, far.
You guys understand just the cry? Har. I think I said teeth. I said teeth right. Teeth right. I use 2 hairs just the teeth. Yeah.
I lose, guys. Oh,
Oh,
my
you
god.
lose. You
I'm
lose.
so losing.
Woo.
Feed
Feed.
a
A.
he her
Feed a what?
he her
E her.
he her
Feed her.
he her.
Fever.
It's
It's
fun.
fun. Fever. It's fun.
No. Feed.
Feed.
Uh-huh.
Her. Feed up.
He her.
Fever.
It's fun.
It's fun. It's pretty easy. Yeah, kiss.
Yeah, that felt like he was kissing somebody with no teeth.
A.
A.
Lucky.
Lucky.
Wacky.
Wacky.
Russ.
Huh?
Russ. Russ.
Larus.
Nah. Russ.
Larius.
Russ.
You gonna show me? That's a word?
Yeah.
Walrus?
Yeah.
I would have
Yeah, it's a
never got
cheat.
that.
Cheat. Give your next card. You get the next one.
No, I'm not getting no
Yeah,
next
you get the
guy.
next one. She had cheat, yeah. She had cheat. Card. Darling.
Darling.
No.
Molin. Bowling.
Yeah,
Bowling.
yeah. Lit.
With.
Yeah, lit.
It.
Etty.
Bowling with.
Dirty.
Dirty.
Dirty, yeah. Nah.
Bowling with.
Dirty.
Huh?
Dirty. Letty.
Litty. Wetty.
Nah.
Jetty.
Nah.
Fitty.
Nah.
Getty.
Nah, God.
God.
Keep going. Say after that.
Getty.
Start there. Say after that.
Auntie.
No.
Betty.
Yeah, Betty.
Betty.
Rotnans.
Huh?
Rotnans.
Buttons.
Yeah. Do that here.
Whew.
So that's it.
I can't.
Yeah, that was it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you guys next time on the next upload. It's Triplell TV, and thanks for watching. It's your boy Triplell. You're watching Triplell TV. See you guys.
I can tell you
on the next upload.
Our next video is gonna be next week. It's gonna be a surprise. It's gonna be lit. It's gonna be lit. Why you pull it out of my mouth?
Kiss it just like that. Kiss
No.
it. Kiss. Kiss it. again.
Curly skin. Oh my god. I would say our next video is gonna be next week.
Yeah,
and it's gonna be lit.
See you guys next time.
It's gonna be lit.
See you guys next time.
Litty.
Yeah, talk none. Talk none.
Talk none.
Oxide Star.
Oh God.
That's nice, man. Yeah, I say, see you guys next time. If you're new to the channel, make sure you press the subscribe button, right? And make sure you give it a thumbs up, press a like, and leave a comment below if you enjoyed the video. And don't watch the video without leaving a comment nor like, alright? It's alright, Triplellls TV, and you're watching Triplellls TV, Triplellls TV, Triplellls TV, Triplellls TV. Triplellls TV.